I'm standing on the outside balcony on the ground floor at GlenMyu Estate, and I'm hoping that you'll see a load of butterflies flying past. There are lots of white ones. They're going really fast. So we're towards the end of February, and end of February, March, we get loads of butterflies here. These ones are mainly white, but there's loads of them going past. Hopefully you can see them. I have a sleeping dog in the balcony. But you really appreciate nature when you see this sight. Let's just see if I can get a bit closer to show you a few of them. So it's a special time to be here at GlenMyu Estate in the Sri Lankan Hill Country.